Assalamu alaikum. From today, we're going to start a series in Java, taking a bunch of programs from the basic to advanced programs. So I suppose they already installed Java on your computer, okay? And the program open the create a Java program or Java file, create a Java project, and start over with me. For the editor, I'm using IntelliJ IntelliJ, and you could use whatever you want, like VS Code or Eclipse or any other type of editors. Doesn't matter. So in the source folder, you're going to create with me a new file, a new package, of course, and name it Basic to Advanced Java Programs. So the name is not important, but just to keep focus on to go with me. Basic to advanced Java programs. Okay. After this, the first program that we're going to have today, just go with me, create new brand class, Java class, and we're going to reverse a string, okay? The first thing, reverse the string, so I'm going to reverse like this, reverse string class, name it reverse string, okay? Perfect. Now I'm going to do here, just to create the public function that going to run, so public static void main. You could write it as it is, like this. Let me zoom out. Public static void main, and then we're going just to create a string. So to do a string, we could use string and pass here name or something, the value that's going to catch the data. So this is the value catching this data, which is hello world. We could change it to something like Al Idrisi. Perfect. Now I'm going to do here to reverse this string. We could create another string like this and name it, for instance, reverse like this. Set it equal to that string dot, then call whatever other functions that you want, as you see here, to string, to many other functions. But we want to reverse this string. What we're going to use a string builder, okay? It is a package already exists on Java. Use string builder class, then reversed. Or you're gonna do here, just create new string builder, then pass the string to build this string. So we pass it to this value here, reversed. Then we could now call whatever other type of functions like reverse. As you see here, now we reversed this reversed. Okay, now if we print it, we should get the reversed of this name. So let me run the program. Okay, as you see here, it's reversed. As you see here, it's reversed. So this is how to reverse a string. You could use many other functions that exist in this string builder class. For instance, instead of reversing it, I'm going to avoid reversing, but reversed, just keep reverse, not a problem. I'm going to go here and create another one. Let me name it string builder, and I'll pass not reversed, but I say, for instance, new one, new value, new string builder. So this new value, I'm not going to reverse it. I'm going just to do an add. As you see here, there's many other functions. We could use reverse, the one that we already used, and it is append, which added an element at the end of this string, and it is append, there is insert, there is compare to, there is delete, there is index of, there is insert. So for instance, I'm going to go with there is repeat, replace. Okay, what I'm going just to take an example. For instance, for insert, I'm going to insert as a position as index at index 0 which is the first beginning, a letter. For instance, I'm going to go Al-Idrisi Muhammad, like this, and give it a space, and then print this new value here. Okay, I'm going to run it. Now I'm expecting to get Muhammad, then followed by Al-Idrisi. As you see here, Muhammad followed by Al-Idrisi. And we could append like to this string like this. I'm going to go that append, re-end. I'm going to append a string. So I'm going to add like a space and pass another name like this. So here I'm expecting to append this to this. Okay, so I'm going to run it again. As you see here, it's appended locally after Al-Idrisi, and of course we insert Muhammad at the first beginning at index 0. If we change the index, for instance, number 2 or 1, it's going to be after this letter E. Okay, let me run to confirm that. And as you see here, E then passed the name Muhammad, as you see here, then followed by space, which is exists here, and so on. So as I said, there is many other functions like new value. We remove this, reverse, add, and many other functions that exist in here. Compare, replace, equal to, for instance, is equal. This is empty, which is contain a value or not. There is equals, which is it equal to another string or not, and so on. There's many other functions that you could jump to and see, like the length. For instance, if we print the length here, new value that length to return a value, as I think. So, okay, like this. Let me remove this from here. Run. As you see here, it's 27 letter exists in there. To be sure, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I think it's 9 letters. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to just use reversed. Okay, reversed. No need to reverse it. Perfect. So let me run it now. That because we insert many other, that still new, reverse, and reverse. No need to do it here. Remove these two. Perfect, like this. We should get 9. As you see here, it's 9. So the length of this string has 9 letters. So this is how to reverse a string in Java. And before you jump into another program, so we are not going to use this in other programs. We're going to do in the next program. So we're just to define the class and then create another Java app. So you need to create with me app.gc, which is another class. And here we're going to pass our main functions. So we're going to get to use a little bit to the object-oriented programming of Java. So instead of here doing this, what I'm going to remove these 2 functions, okay? As you see here, I removed that. And this string, I'm going to remove it too. No need for it. And we could like keep it like this, but assign a value to it and say like a word, like this. And it's public. I'm going to make this private and create a new constructor, which is reverse string, and pass this word to it, as you see here. And in here, I'm going to create another function. So I'm going to call public void reverse, then pass these things to here with string reversed, no string. And what we're going to get, so I'm going to get this word that exists in here. Let me remove this, that's word. And this is, so it's going to call this word in here, okay? And we going to print the reversed string, okay? Like this. Perfect. So what we've done here, we just created a new brand, keep the class and update it into this class, which is now it just reversed a string. And in the app, we're going to call that. So what we need to do, remember we all in the same package, basic to advanced Java programs. So I'm going to call this class reverse. So I'm going to call reverse and name it reverse string equal to new reversed string and pass a string here, like hello, for instance. All we need to do, just reverse string and then call the reversed method, which is here. So what we need now to do is just to run this and see if we're going to get the reverse of hello. As you see, we still have hello. It's not working. Let me see, reversed. Yes, but it's printed, so it's working. All we need to do just reverse dot reverse and then print our reversed letter string. As you see here, we've got it now reversed. So this is the way how we're going to work in the next. And before jump in, I'm going to show you how to instead of passing a static value, we're going to get a dynamic value from the user. What we need to do is like create a scanner, okay? Import java.utl scanner. You need to import scanner from java utils and create a scanner and then system that in which accepts the input. Now I'm going to create another string. I'm going to call it, for instance, input or string. Just let me go with input. Then we're going to use this scanner, that next line. As soon as we get in strings, I'm going to use next line. If we working on integers or floats, we're going to get int or float or double, so whatever you want, okay? But now we're going to go with strings. We're going to go with next line. So this input, I'm going to accept it in here. Pass it in there. So now, after running the program, before running that, I'm going to print a message here, system.out, enter a string to reverse it, okay? Just to make it clear. Okay, perfect. Okay, as you see here, enter a string to reverse it. I'm going to go with string, okay? Hit enter. As you see here, it's reversed to strn. So this is the first program that we have today, and see you next time.